Welcome. My name is Annette at needlepointers.com. Our video today is on my favorite trick for storing bobbins that will keep the thread ends from unraveling and going wild on you. Does your bobbin storage box look like this, with the bobbin thread unwinding? Threaded bobbins are a real pain to keep organized, especially when the thread ends start unraveling. I have tried those miniature ponytail holders to wrap around the bobbin, but they obscure the thread color, and the bobbin clamps don't fit in my bobbin box. Would you like your bobbin box to look like this, neat and organized? Let me share my super inexpensive solution for stopping the unruly mess with thread holders like these, small rings of plastic tubing. What is needed? Clear vinyl plastic tubing, a scissor, and bobbins. First, you need to purchase the tubing. In the plumbing section of the hardware store, purchase some clear vinyl plastic tubing marked 1/2 inch ID inner by 5/8 inch OD outer. From 1 foot of plastic tubing, you'll get anywhere from 35 to 45 rings. From the plastic tubing, you're going to be making these C-shaped rings. First, with your scissor, you're going to cut the tubing lengthwise. Do not use your fabric scissor. Please use an all-purpose scissor to do this. And I'm going to continue to cut it, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I finished cutting it in half lengthwise. Now what you need to do is spread out the tubing and begin cutting on one end pieces off that are about 1/4 to 3/8 inches wide. It does not have to be exact. And since the tubing is flexible, it will then retain its curve. Continue cutting off pieces. When the rings have been cut, then just slip the plastic ring over the bobbin, making sure that the thread end is underneath. And as you can see, if the bobbin is full, you can do it, or even here there's one that is not very full. And again, I'm just slipping it over, making sure that the thread end is underneath and it's neat and tidy. I'm done, and now here's my tidy bobbin case. The thing I love best about this little bobbin holder is that because the tubing is clear, you can easily see the color of the thread while the bobbins are in the box. So, what do you think? It's simple, easy, and inexpensive. Thank you for joining me. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Please like and share this video with family and friends. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Help us by sharing our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more sewing tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss new tutorials.